back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. Real quickly, if you're new here, this channel is all about searching the internet, looking for the best work from home jobs available, and I bring them to you on a daily basis. We try to bring different and new things that not other channels are bringing, and we do try to bring a lot of corporate remote work from home jobs where you can make an hourly pay or salary. Not a lot of side hustles, but we do throw those in occasionally. But if you never want to miss out, make sure you're subscribed and have those notifications turned on. And as always, if you want to put applications into anything I share, the links are always in the YouTube description box below this video. Today's job lead is from the well-known camera company GoPro. Do you have a GoPro? Do you love it? If so, this might be for you. GoPro is hiring a part-time customer care channel sales agent. This is remote for the United States. It says this role can be performed anywhere in the United States, so they don't have any state restrictions. They do have certain hours that they want you to be able to work though. But basically, they're looking for somebody to ensure authentic, best-in-class experience with phone sales coming from the GoPro online channel. So you'll be representing the GoPro brand with integrity and professionalism, handling the customer inquiries with an exciting, friendly, and inviting tone. So this is going to be a phone-based customer service position. You're going to absorb valuable company information such as product knowledge, consumer trends, and the overall history and goals of the company, and help grow the revenue while contributing to the professional and personal growth. You'll work with customers, asking questions and listening carefully to learn their needs and wants and put together an appropriate product recommendation that will meet their needs. So this is going to be upselling and product selling as well. Now, they don't require any kind of college degree. They are looking for somebody who is a current GoPro camera owner and an avid fan. They want somebody who is dependable and will go above and beyond, exceeding those customer expectations. They want somebody who has 1 year experience in a call center, preferably selling goods or electronics. And they want somebody who can use online communication tools such as Slack, Skype, or CRM applications, and somebody who can be a multitasker. Now, as far as hours go, they are looking for somebody to commit to 20 to 29 hours a week and either work 4 or 8 hour shifts depending on their business needs. Now, their hours of operation are 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, Monday through Sunday, so you'll need to be okay with working weekends. They are paying very well to be a part-time customer service position. They're paying anywhere from $20 an hour all the way up to $25 an hour. All right, if this job lead was not for you, that's absolutely okay. Please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.